Hey, welcome to the show. Today we have the Mola N3 Pro dash cam. This is a very cool dash cam. It is small, it is sleek, it is hidden when you put this in your car. I really like this. The price is beautiful on it. It's not that much money. And what I like about this camera the best is that it's so small you can fit this behind your mirror, your rear view mirror, and you will not see it and other people will not see it. So it's kind of like a secret dash cam, and it produces beautiful footage. It's very easy to install. You don't have to install the second camera because it has a long camera cable, and it can run to the back of your car to use as a rear view camera. You could also use that camera to film inside your car, or I just use just the single camera to face out. I also like it that you could record with audio on or off. Sometimes I prefer off, so that way you just have some privacy. But it produces some beautiful pictures. So overall, we're very happy with it. We even forget about it because it's just behind the mirror and it's out of sight, out of mind, and it's there when we're going to need it. So it's a very great camera. It has 1600p high resolution dual channel recording. So when it records with both cameras, it will save each of those files independently. It has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, up to 128 gigabyte storage. It has a 24/7 parking monitor, and also you can use your app on your phone to make any kind of settings that you need to. So overall, this I would highly recommend this just because of the size and the clarity and the price. So hey, thanks a lot for watching the show, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.